As I have said before in previous Windows 8.1 videos, it is important to remember that this is also a mobile operating system. So of course it's going to have certain utilities, like in this case, a calculator. I'm Alex Pavolsik from HowToDoTech.com, and today we're spending a little time talking about this green live tile known as the calculator. So I'm just going to tap on the calculator. Of course, you could also access this from your All Apps screen by just hitting that arrow and finding the calculator in your list. So I'm going to go to the calculator right now. And from here, we see the different types of calculators at the top. Now, as far as settings go, you're not going to really change much in this. You can look at the permissions and rate and review it, but other than that, it's plain and simply a calculator. Now, right now, I am on a giant 27-inch iMac running this in a virtual machine, so this calculator is just huge. But I could certainly see maybe on a 8-inch or 10-inch tablet how this would be just good enough, if not a little small. So of course it's going to change depending on what size screen you're on. Now if you're on a touch screen, this is much more helpful than the mouse I have right now, but just as an example, 9 times 9, 99, will be 891. Now I could just hit the backspace if I wanted to clear something, so maybe 87, backspace on the 7, 89, plus 36, and I'm going to get rid of all those 9s, so I just have 36, 125. Really simple, it's a calculator. Scientific is of course available. This is also on things like Android and iOS. Nothing special. You have some cool scientific functions on the left. And finally, we have a converter, something that you really don't see on Android or iOS stock calculator apps. Of course, you could get third-party apps, and they probably would have some type of converter. Now, being a math and science student myself, one thing that I must say I find quite annoying is not having access to the history. Now, I've only seen this on a third-party calculator app, and I believe also on the Android stock calculator app. That might have been changed in a later version of the app, but it's really helpful to look back at past equations you've used or to copy those equations into your calculator interface and maybe change 1 or 2 numbers. This isn't available, however, it's not a crazy thing that's normally available in most calculator apps. So it's the calculator, plain and simple, but necessary. So we hope you have enjoyed this video from How to Do Tech. If you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments below or email us at howtodotechyt@gmail.com. We do ask that if you have a question, you leave the device you're using as well as the operating system along with your question. How to Do Tech is on Google+ and Facebook, so feel free to circle us and like us there. You can also ask us questions on those social media profiles. Click on the annotations now to go to any one of our videos or playlists. You can also click the links in the description to go to all of our playlists. Don't forget to like and subscribe.